welcome to another educational video. This is for educational purposes only, and these videos will be linked in the educational section of my YouTube and website. So if you guys like these videos, please subscribe. Subscribe is very important, because the more subscribers I have, the better the algorithm, and I can share more and more videos, and my videos will be featured when people are searching for this type of information. Also, give me a like, or even give me a dislike if you don't like the video. But if you like the video and you like the information that I am sharing with you guys for free, go ahead and give me a like, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones and somebody else that may want this information or may need this information right now to start their business. So with that said, and no further ado, let's get into this video. So what I wanted to talk about today was the differences between Wix.com and SquareSpace.com. These are two website platforms where you can actually build a website from scratch or use templates and get yourself a personal brand online. As you guys can see, you guys are on my Wix desktop. And I have several sites up here, of course, but I just wanted to jump into my cleaning bee. All right, we're going to use this one as an example. And I just want to show you guys the flexibility and the ease that you will have in creating your own website. It is not hard. You can pay people to do it, of course, but I am showing you guys how to save money and just learn some new skills. Okay, so we're gonna go. This is what the dashboard would look like when you start a new site on Wix. Of course, when you guys sign up, the first thing it's gonna do is gonna take you to a list of templates, because you may want to use a template. You may not know anything about designing a website. This is my cleaning bee website. As you can see, I chose a template. This is an actual template that I looked through the store and I actually showed. And up here, you got your home, your about us, your services, your fact, contact, such and such. I edited it a little bit because you can see this is my old telephone number and my logo. This is my logo that I created for the cleaning bee. Now, this is how easy it is to customize. You can click on anything, right? And you can customize it. You can use a different font, okay? You can, let's go back to that font. You can use a different font. You can use the size. You can change the size. You can change the color, okay? And then you don't have to leave it there. You can move it around. Okay, you can put it wherever on this website you want. And this is why I am comparing the two, Wix and SquareSpace, because SquareSpace is not going to allow you to move everything around like this. SquareSpace is one guideline, and it's like boxes. They're like grids, and we'll go into that in a minute. But when you go to add, it'll ask you what you want to add. So this is real simple to use. You may say, I want to add a store, right? Or you may want to add a contact form or something like that, bookings and stuff like that. So you can manage things by just clicking on the item and you go into services, right? And then as you can see, you could go in here and you can edit everything that you want, whether it's the images, the prices, the titles of the service. As you can see, you can edit everything like this and save it, and you'll go back to your store and everything will be saved on your store. And then always remember to save. So even though this will be auto on, make sure you still click on save, because sometimes it will not save it automatically. And this is where, once you do the first time, right, when you save it the very first time that you start up a Wix account, it's going to ask you to connect your branded domain. You can go on GoDaddy, one-on-one, domain.com, and buy a domain for about $1, less than $2. and you can actually slap the domain onto the Wix website. This is the only thing though. When you're connecting a domain from another site, you must have a premium account. And we're going to talk about that right now. Okay. So we're going to go to upgrade. Okay. And when you're upgrading a website on Wix, which means that you're going to be basically publishing it, you're going to be slapping your own domain on there. This is what happens. You're going to get turned to this page. Once you get on this page here, this is the most popular, of course, because it's the start of you starting your business. This is the one that you're going to want to get. Now, to start off, you can pay a monthly fee, but I recommend that you pay the annual fee. And as you can see, you got the business VIP, you get the full suite, so you get everything, okay, for $49 a month. Or you could get the business basic where you're only accepting payments. You already have your little images or whatever you can put up there. However, as you can see, as far as the storage space, it'll only allow you to have up to 20 gigs of data on the platform. But if you get the business unlimited, which is recommended, you'll get 35 gig space and you get 10 hours of video. So let's say you have videos advertising your products and stuff like that. Your videos can't go over 10 hours. No matter if it's one video, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever, they cannot go over 10 hours. But if you have the actual the business VIP, you can have unlimited videos on your website. So let's go on to select, right? So as soon as you go click on selecting, you're going to be brought to this page. You can do it monthly, which will be more monthly, right? It's $33 a month. But if you want to pay the annual, which is what I recommend, okay, and the reason why I recommend the annual is because you're going to be getting a $300 coupon to Google AdSense. And we'll talk about that right now. So I clicked on connect to checkout, right? And as you can see, this is for the annual. You're going to be paying straight off the back $324. This is why I say it's good to do the monthly first. And then when you see that income generating and you got that income already flowing, pay the annual fee, because then you won't have to worry about any fees for your website for a whole year. You could just do business as usual without any interruptions to your website. Now, if you don't want to go someplace else and get a domain and you upgrade to a 1-year premium, you're going to get a free domain. As you can see here, custom domain, free domain for 1 year, okay? You're also going to get, look at this, $300 in ad vouchers, which is huge when you're starting off because you want to be able to advertise as much as you can. So you get $100 Google ads with a $25 purchase. So with this, you will have to purchase $25 in Google advertisement, but you want to do that because Google is the main search engine that people go on to search for products. So that's huge, okay? SquareSpace is another website platform that you can go on and design a website. So you can go on SquareSpace, and let's say we want to do something in fashion. Let's say we started a clothing line and we want to do something in fashion, right? We're going to sell products and sell services. So we're going to go next is collecting inspiration. I don't know, something like that. But I'm just trying to get to the templates, guys. So as you can see, it'll give you, if you don't have any web designing knowledge at all, or if you don't want to use Wix to, set up your own thing, even though Wix has templates just like this that you could just plug into your website. But you can go on the template section. Okay, you plug the name of your business up here. You have bottoms, tops, and all of that. And look, all your clothes, and then you put down here all your social media accounts, and you could even have them sign up for a newsletter that you may send out weekly or something like that. Another good thing is with Wix and SquareSpace, you can connect your Shopify or Printify catalog onto these websites, and people can purchase directly from your website instead of having to go to Shopify or Printify. So these are great ways for you to brand yourself, right, and have your own customized website and advertise your products or services to the world. Like I said before, with Squarespace, it's a little different than Wix when it comes to creating or changing things up, because like I said, it's a grid. So you have different grids. Like this first part will be the first grid, and it talks about your social media, the name of your business, and then your navigational bar, right? And then you'll have a second grid where if you just wanted to do a shop, right, you'll have the name of what your items are, like this is here, and then you'll have a bunch of pictures, and then you can move them around and stuff like that, and you could change colors and stuff like that. But as you saw with Wix, we can move this over here to the side. You can't do that on Squarespace. You cannot move your stuff. It's in a gridded area, so you will have to take this whole grid, and move it. You see how now it's only a grid? That's how Squarespace works. Okay, so this is how Squarespace has their stuff set up. Now, look, it's a little cheaper than Wix, but you got to understand, with Wix, you're getting a whole lot more of the design process to make it your own. So you can come on Squarespace and just get a simple template, blah, blah, and just start paying. Now, for the business plan, you want a business plan if you're starting a store, of course. We're not even going with personal. You want a business plan because you want to be able to take payments online. Another good thing by getting the business one or any one after that, any tier after that, is you're also getting $100 in Google AdSense credits. Also get promotional pop-ups and banners. Use pop-ups to advertise promotions, collect email address, or even make an announcement like the new store opening hours. So you'll get this huge pop-up right in the middle of your website. You know how you go to a lot of websites and that pop-up comes up and it'll say, sign into this newsletter or sign in now and you'll get 20% off of this product. That's what a pop-up is. Maybe add a couple dollars less. It would probably be like $15 per month if you're paying annually. See, save 30% annually. So it'll probably be about $14, $15. The price will drop. But like I said before, you want to have an annual in place, because then you don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is go on the website and just update your products or your services. Get the business account, you will get a free custom domain where you don't have to go to another website and link a domain, right? Or purchase a domain for $1 or something like that. But you'll be able to get a free custom domain. So once you purchase this, it's going to ask you, what would you like your domain name to be? JustVoicingIt.com. If it's available, it'll give you that option. Just know that it's not very hard. It's not too technical. Do not be discouraged because you may think that you do not have any type of computer skills. You don't need to know a lot of things. So with that said, if you like this video, give me a like, okay, so we can get into this algorithm. And also, share this video with somebody that may need this type of knowledge. They may not know where to go to set up a website. So I'm giving you some resources. And thirdly, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you'll know when I'm coming out with a new video. That's free information. Free, free, free. Okay, with that said, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.